Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to record screen on Android 2025. Let's begin. First, you want to expand your control center. Then you want to find and see your screen recorder. If you don't see your screen recorder, you want to click pencil icon, scroll down, locate your screen recorder and simply put it right on the top, just like I did with this sound amplifier. Once you do that, all you want to do is simply click, battery saver, click screen recorder. Then you want to choose if you want to record one application or whole screen. I will go with whole screen. Then you can choose if you want to record audio from the device, microphone only, or both, device audio and microphone. I'll go with both of these. You can also enable show touches on screen, though it is completely optional. And now we can hit record. As you can see, now we are recording and everything we do will now be seen. So that's pretty cool. In order to stop the recording, we can simply expand our notifications, hit stop, and as you can see, our screen recording is now saved. We can click on it and amazing. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.